Don't let your fears stop you from what you want. Don't let doubts keep you away from all the blessings you are destined to get. Use the magic and easy love spells to ease your soul. Use your willpower to make the right choices. Get your guidance. Live your day. Enjoy your life. It is only a moment. A moment of happiness is more worth living than an entire life of sorrow. Take it from me. I know what it is. I know how it feels. I've been there. Stuck in life. What is keeping you there, and how long are you going to be there? Get out now and get what you want. All of your happiness is waiting for you. Unleash your inner self and let the Divine Spirit guide you on your path. The path that is going to take you back to Him. Back to happiness. Back to the real you. You are unique. You are beautiful. This is Divine Source speaking to you. Visit my website for a free consultation today.